fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today to share with you my goals update. So I'm going to be working on my Craftably Blue Swallowtail kit for our August Diamond Paint Along while I share my goals with you and how I did in July. So as you know, my first goal is always my DP hours. I want to hit 1,000 hours this year. I don't think I'm going to make it, but that's okay. July was better. I did 72 hours and 41 minutes of diamond painting in July, so that's pretty on par, I think, with what I did in June. So I'm going to call that good because I think there was a month where I had almost no hours. So if I add my 72 hours and 41 minutes to my previous total for the year, which was 322 hours and 34 minutes, I am now sitting at the end of July at 395 hours and 15 minutes. So I'm clearly behind because I've passed the halfway mark, which was June. If I was going to hit 1,000, I should have been at 500. So yeah, not doing great, but stuff's still getting done. So even though I'm behind on that, it is what it is. My second goal for the year is number of finishes. I wanted to finish 36 things. Don't know if I'll make that either, but I did manage to finish 3 things in July. I finished my rainbow kit, the Everyone is Welcome Here one. I finished my customized bookshelf, which I think turned out really, really awesome. I'm really happy with the way that one turned out. There were a few niggly little things that I wish I had done differently, but for the most part, I think it turned out really good, so I'm happy with it. And then I also finished Blue, which is the one from Bella Art that I just finished recently. So I added 3 finishes for the month of July. If I add that to my previous month's total of 16, that means I'm sitting now at 19 for the year. I don't know if I'm going to make it to 36. I've got some smaller canvases that I can do, so maybe as I get closer to the end of the year. But this year I'm also trying to do kits that appeal to me so that I can just have fun while I'm doing my diamond painting. So sitting at 19 finishes for the year. My third goal was to buy from Canadian companies. This is a goal that hasn't gone very far. Again, in July, I didn't buy anything from anybody. I really just haven't been buying anything at all. Not only am I not buying from Canadian companies, I'm just not buying from anybody. So if I add that to my previous total of 3 companies for the year, I'm still sitting at 3. I think I said last time that I do have a couple of pin places that I would like to buy from, but I'll just have to wait and see. I'm not going to cry too much if I don't make this goal. I have plenty of time, but I may not make the goal of doing, well, I'm certainly not going to make the goal of, I think I picked 3 a month, which was probably way too many anyway. I mean, that'd be 36 companies by the end of the year. I don't even know if I could find that many companies. My fourth goal is my budget. So I messed up last month and didn't include the Forever Young trays set that I purchased. So I paid $89.05 Canadian for it, which is equal to $64.39 USD. So that's what I spent for the month. So if I add that to my previous total, which was $422.81, that's $511.86 Canadian I have spent so far this year. That means I have $1,288.14 left. I'm thinking I might spend a big chunk of that during Black Friday, but I'll just have to see. I haven't seen a ton of things that caught my eye from Diamond Art Club, but maybe there'll be something from Bella or Dreamer Designs or Orloa or something that I want to get. So I may spread the wealth around a little bit instead of buying just a bunch from one company. I'll have to see. But I have plenty of budget remaining if I want to spend a bunch of money on diamond painting kits on Black Friday. I don't think I will. I'm still trying, like I said, trying to get my stash down. But if I want to buy more, I can because I have it in my budget. All right, then number 5, my goal was to finish my 4 spanglers. So I picked 1 1/4. I did finish one, which was my customized bookshelf. So if I add that one that I finished in July to the previous 2 that I finished, that means I've completed 3, which means I only have 1 spangler left in my stash. That one is called Treasure Quest, and I just saw somebody else complete it on Instagram, I think, and it's super cute. So I'll probably be starting on that one here. Well, the last quarter starts in what, October? I got this one done really fast, didn't I, for this quarter? It feels like I did 2 in a row, which I guess I kind of did. So now I can wait a couple of months until I finish the 4th one. So I'm going to meet that goal, so that's good. Then I have the goal to slash my stash. And slashing my stash, I completed 3 things. So that means that I am -3 for my stash for the month of July. I was already down 3, so -3 for the year. And that's after adding in, what did I buy this year? I bought one from Captured by Radiance, which is one of my Canadian companies. I bought 2 from Diamond Dots. And then I had those 12 that I got from Art Dot, which I've completed 2 of those. So I'm down in the negatives again. So I am making progress, because that's a total of what, 12, 15 total that got added, and I'm still at -3. So that makes me feel better. Okay, so -3 for the year plus -3 for the month of July. That means I'm sitting at -6 total for the year, which is pretty good. So I think that's going well. Of course, I would always like it to be better, but it is what it is. And then the last one, and this is a goal that I put on there, but this one I'm not too concerned whether I make it or not, and that is my Stay or Go kits. I've actually added a couple because I've done some Stay or Go videos this year, but from ones from last year, so far I've only done 1 of those kits. I want to get to at least 1 other one. I think the goal was to do 3, but I have at least 1 in mind that I would like to do here shortly. But I didn't do any in July. So my previous total of 1, which was one of my craftablies, my Midnight Warrior, plus the 0 that I did in July, means I'm still sitting at 1. So I don't have I have 7 goals, and I think I might make 4 of them. I don't think I'm going to make my DP hours. I think I'll make my finishes. My Canadian companies, I need to go back and reevaluate that goal, I think, because I think I put 3 a month. I'm not even sure about that. I got to go back and check it. But 3 a month was way too excessive. So I probably need to adjust that one. I'm doing good with my budget, so I think I'm going to meet the budget one. I'm going to meet the Spanglers one and get all my Spanglers done. Slashing my stash, I'm negative right now. So as long as I don't buy anything else and I continue to complete by the end of the year, then it'll be negative, which means I'll meet that goal. I don't know what my comfortable number is for my stash, but I'll figure it out. And then my Stay or Go kits, I think I only needed to do 3, and I'm pretty sure I can meet that goal. So that's where I'm at for the month of July. Leave me a comment down below and let me know. Do you think I need to adjust any of these besides the Canadian companies one? I'm trying to, as you all remind me, give myself grace because I had a lot going on, but we're pretty settled. And so I just want to sit and have some time to diamond paint and find my zen, find my mojo again. I'm slowly getting back there. Not quite where I was before, but I'm slowly working my way back there. So leave me a comment down below and let me know if you think I need to adjust anything. If you're pursuing some goals this year and you would like to share how you're doing, that would be awesome. I would love to see how people do. Always glad to help cheer you on. Don't forget, we're doing the floral themed diamond paint along this month. And then in October, we will be doing a holiday themed diamond paint along. So those of you who might be working on gifts or whatever can join in. That's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end of the video. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.